this episode of the Global Snowbirds, we take you around the magical town of Mirissa.
We show off its amazing beach life, eat delicious Sri Lankan street food, and watch the sunset at Coconut Tree Hill as we go full Instagrammer.
What's up, Snowbirds? Welcome to Mirissa.
We are in a cool little surf beach town on the south coast of Sri Lanka.
It is beautiful. So it only took an hour and a half bus ride from Tengal to get here. And when you're here, everything's pretty much within walking distance. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna walk around, check out the beaches, other kinds of attractions, social media, Instagram spots. First stop though, food. Let's go. Today, it's prime thunderstorm weather, so we came prepared. I got my jacket, got my umbrella, Megan's umbrella.
I forced him to carry it for me.
We also got a swim shorts on in case we're gonna go for a dip, which we probably will. Oh no! The place we were gonna go is closed today.
It's the cheapest we found so far, and it's closed.
Damn it. We have a lunch special that's only 400 rupees, which is like $3. But they closed.
That's fun, I suppose.
Jumping traffic. So unfortunately there's not much street food carts like most of Asia, because we're now getting into the more expensive part of town, which is the touristy part. Prices go a little bit up, just a little bit. You may have found this one.
So there's like a Southeast Asian crepe that they call roti here, and I got mine with egg and avocado, which is a first. Normally I do banana and chocolate, so we shall see.
So I got the classic Sri Lankan dish called kattu. It's like stuffing. It's made out of noodles, but it's like the texture feels like stuffing. And got it with chicken, and it comes with a little curry sauce and chilies to make it super spicy. So I'm excited for mine. Megan's got mystery food going on, so we'll see how that goes.
Aw, nuts.
This is pretty much our go-to because it's cheap and it's very filling. And it's usually massive portions like this. But the best one we had so far was in Tango. Here I go. I'm spicy portion.
Time to dig in, guys.
I don't have a drink. We'll see you when we're finished. That was delicious.
It was okay. The banana chocolate way better.
Yep, one's opinion. Now we're gonna head over to Secret Beach. It's 2 kilometers away. Hookup should be 100. It should be 50 rupees.
40 or 50.
40 or 50 rupees per kilometer. It's only 2 kilometers, so we'll see how that goes. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Take us to Secret Beach.
Secret Beach.
Yes. 100.
Secret Beach jump here.
So not,
Harbour Road here, up.
so not 100?
Oh, 300.
300.
The first tuk-tuk driver tried to charge us 300.
You go to Secret Beach?
100. Secret Beach. 500 normally price going. Yeah. 500 going normally price.
It's 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers of big mountain, you know.
50 rupee per kilometer.
50 kilometers in Colombo City, not here, you know.
Their excuse was that they have to go up a hill.
Are you able to take us to Secret Beach?
There's
the beach. It's the beach is the mountain outside. 500 rupees.
Oh, no, thank you. Well, change of plans, guys. It looks like it's going to downpour, so we're gonna go to Mirissa Beach instead, which is right across the street here. And we're gonna do a day trip to Lanka on the motorbike. So we'll just go to Secret Beach on the way. So yeah, off to Mirissa we go.
Well guys, this is Mirissa Beach.
Guys, this sand is so soft. Wow.
Pretty nice beach, gotta say.
It's so beautiful.
The sand is really soft. So you know us, we're gonna try to find a beer, a cheap one.
Try.
We're at the touristy beach, so that's gonna be up there. 300 should be okay. Whoa, there's the wave. Okay, so we stopped at some place. Got ourselves a,
Nice.
got ourselves a tall line for 300. Pretty good. You don't want it every cup.
Yum, 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 yum.
We're gonna enjoy these, and then a little bit we're gonna head over to Parrot Rock, which is just over there. A little bit of walking distance. So bye bye. And we're off. Heading over to Parrot Rock. It's about a 5-minute walk down the beach, and it looks
Looks like-
busy already.
No, it looks like a ton of people are leaving.
Yeah, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Okay guys, we're here. First we gotta trek through some water and then hike up some stairs. Oh, my hands just got so sweaty seeing that. I thought it was all stairs. It's like the Pie Canyon. It reminded me of the Pie Canyon, but with being fenced in. That's so pretty, you guys.
Spot.
It kind of reminds me of the Kopi viewpoint.
It's just, yeah, it's just a higher up place to see the beaches. So right behind us is Turtle Bay viewpoints. We're gonna go check those out next. Yep. Woo, it's a windy one today.
Woo!
It's a nice day though. I like it. I like it just a little windy. Keeps it cool. Got hammocks in shop.
Whoa, look how dope this is.
So there's lots of hostels and restaurants like right on the beach here. And they're actually not super expensive too. As long as you're not like back at the touristy part, these places are relatively cheap. You're right by the beach, right on the shoreline.
Oh.
Hey guys.
He may have adopted a dog.
He came here by himself, onto my lap. Oh, just wants some lovin's.
Aww. We're just at this beach, hidden underneath this big tree.
There is a bowl of dog food here, another bread, so someone has come to feed them at some point. I don't know if they come back on a regular basis though.
How are we gonna leave?
I don't know.
He's so comfy like that.
Can't just leave him. It's so hard.
Oh my god, he's coming back. Oh, Bubba.
Well, I'm just gonna stay here for a while. I can't just leave like that. Can't do it. My heart, I don't have it in me. Well, that was insanely heartbreaking to deal with.
We're gonna go back and get some food and water later.
Yeah.
But we are officially at Turtle Bay. We're just going to the more
Beachy part? Yeah, grab another beer. Trying not to get the camera soaked. Let's get out of here. Oh shit. Woohoo, that was close.
Guys, we found our spot. Look at this.
Gonna chill here for a bit, have these beers, enjoy the beach, and then we're gonna head up there to
Coconut Tree
Palm
Hill.
Point. Coconut Tree Hill. Country Hill.
One or the other. It's all the same.
We're just waiting for all the Instagrammers to go away so we can get our own Instagram shot.
Cuties. Hi. Are you boyfriend and girlfriend or brother and sister? They're both trying to bite you. It's funny.
Alrighty, ladies and gents, we're heading off to our final spot of the day, Palm Tree Point, as I like to call it because it rolls better off the tongue. Spent a couple hours there having a beer, playing with the pups. It was good fun. It's not that many people up there right now, so I think we should be good.
gorgeous. Top notch. Looks like there's a line for photos, but we kind of just came in the middle instead of the top where most people come from. But it's so pretty here.
So we decided to do a little fun Instagram photo shoot, making fun of Instagram's cinematic craziness. Ready? There's a reason everybody's up here. It is insanely photogenic. There's the palm trees and nothing else, and it is a beautiful spot. You can see all the way to the Mirissa Beach, way out into the Indian Ocean on the other side. It's a beautiful place to come.
Look at the camera.
So if you do come here, come at sunset or sunrise if you're crazy like that. But sunset's good enough for us, and it's beautiful. Just don't fall on me, coconut. You know more people die from coconuts every year than shark attacks? Now you know. Ooh, we're out of here. The
mosquitoes
come
are
out in full
vicious
force
right now.
Full force, and the big fuckers too.
Ah, so it's getting really dark in this.
Got that on film.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Thanks for coming, guys.
Oh, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are new here, click the subscribe button. Come soar with us around the globe. Good night.
Peace. So today we're still in Mirissa, but we're going to head over to Welligama. We got a motorbike for the day. Do a bit of a day trip. Check out some beaches.
Be sure to check the links in our descriptions for promos, discounts, packing, and more.
And of course, you can always visit our website for full itineraries, prices, and other resources.